Hey everybody, Shell the Water Guy here. We're back at the shop and I have glued this one up. I went this way. I have glued this one up. I went vertical. And now I'm thinking about doing something big like this. I haven't decided yet. So I don't know if I should do got this knot in this one. I just don't know. I just don't know. I was thinking about doing this, but then you're wasting a lot of. I could do it like this, and then I could cut this one down, and then save this one for walnut. So I could, or I could go really big. So that would be, that's a pretty big board. So that would be like, well, 16 by, yeah, you do 16 by 17. That actually wouldn't be too bad. Maybe that's what I'll do on this one. Maple. So I think I've decided I'm gonna do, this one will be basically 15 3/4 by 17 3/4, but it's gonna be thinner, so it'll be lighter. But I'm gonna go maple, cherry, maple, and then make it square, of course. I know a little bit extra, but I was planning to do something different with these wider boards, but I changed my mind. So I'm gonna go cut this down to whatever I think this is. 17 7/8 basically. So stick around, stay tuned. All right, well, I got this one glued up. I will have to square it up. Of course, these are all different lengths, but that's what I got, and it'll be thin. I won't have to, can't do a lot of hardcore. I can do like a light. I gotta take enough to get the glue and stuff off, but we're not a hardcore sanding. So I got 1, 2, 3 glued up today. And so, and there's the third one here. Won't be able to come back tomorrow. Maybe Wednesday. I don't know, we'll see. Might be next week. So, all right, thanks for watching. See ya.